Okay, I'll show you how to use R to do a simple linear regression. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently than usual. Instead of going through Excel and making a CSV and all of that, you just do a small program and enter the data here. Of course, the first part of this will be different. You may have to, if you had a large problem, go through the Excel and CSV and everything, but I'm just going to say Y is equal to, and we'll put C for concatenate or combine, and then just enter in the values for Y. I'm making these up as I go here. And I'm going to do the same thing for X. Again, just making some numbers up here. Make sure I have the same number in each one, and I have 5 there. So now I'm going to do a regression equation. I'm just going to call this reg example. I'm going to put equals, so that can be whatever name you want it to be. LM, this one has to be the same. This is linear model, and I'm going to say Y, or whatever I called it. Tilde, X, and then I have to say summary. I called that reg X. Forgot to give it that last parenthesis. There we go. And so you can now see the, if you just flip down to the coefficients there by the intercept, that minus 3.47, that's A. Then for X, at 1.42, that's the slope, B. You don't need the standard error t-value or anything for the intercept. For the X, you can see that the t-value is 9.934, and the p-value is really small, so you reject HO and conclude there is a relationship here, where it says residual r squared, 1.21 on 3 degrees of freedom. That's MSE is 1.21, and the degrees of freedom is n minus 2. I had 5 values there, minus 2 is 3. And then where it has multiple r squared, that's just r squared in this one. If you had a multiple regression, that would be it as well. Don't worry about the adjusted r squared there. If you want to get the correlation, just take the square root of that multiple r squared there. Well, let me tell you one other thing. If you wanted to plot the data, just do plot Y tilde X and enter, and now you have a plot of the data. That's it.